Mwanchumu rigereria karibu sana sense mega ya kabere ase turache kugenderia nkwana ituno magnito ase studio tokumwakira mbuyo mana sengencho bero moremereria gutoka njinde togendere gutabuke nkwana iga ase ngencho ye faida ya mwananchi umugusi na bego mamenyi bwensemo ye bunge ya West Mugira ngense mega ya kabere twate bangu murekera tore eganga yaye yo guchego so akurigikero gikito murekera mangari ya negetikira ngo mujumbe na bego muraito ya abukoreta kurinde kitara tambuka sense mega karibu sana. Libo yindire gakira tware gochika gukora na robo ritinga ase kiama ya Jubilee agigero berite kwene kya obacho ndimbo chiko bobo kene ubu bwasioko ekorengana ngana enkori yore kero ikiga abameri bago kurwa sense ya West Mugira ngo mbari batete ticket yiga na rokuruku na manyitiwe okurukwa James Nyakangi romu MCA okurwe kiama kya UPA na rokuruku nyambane oyoro munyakirogo wekiama ya Jubilee ase ward ya township naro kurugu Duke Masira okuru kiama ya ODM lakini utagete ticket ya Jubilee kwenda sense moyo bojumbe ntubwatwe mheshimiwa Rogers Moturi mheshimiwa Walter Mesire nayo monyene negati abande ngakiura enekerie mu Rwanda onde bwense kuri obura inge kiama ya Jubilee nge chikwene kya free and fair nominations
previously kiama ya Jubilee tayero ritanganike gochokora mangana nomination and ekero kurarigereria ase byama biri byakore nomination bita tatwaro bokomono nensemo ya nomination Jubilee is one party is one of the parties ne byama biro robi manjirenga nomination yero ni chisegi and going forward a reconstituted election board, national elections board ekurawa no moskoito senator former senator Muranga moskeke bigetra nero gora national elections board as the chairman chairman kembigitura no moto wa maskani obero mwakiri myake mingi sana setu wakiri abandi tutaraigurwa and obero senator obero ambassador no moto what is a person of integrity and we have trusted him to carry out the process ya nomination is free, fair, verifiable and transparent. So the National Elections Board is a body independent. It does not take instructions from anybody in the party. It's a body that is independent in execution of their mandate. So this body will carry out a free, fair nomination and we have all agreed that we will subject ourselves to the nominations and we will abide by the outcome of the nominations. Puna chirakoru kukogicha chikoruya abantu toisaneke ngapuna mbuya chakoru. Igono enije nimbo munyakiro gonda gotota bya abantu. Ari. Naba skebari ba minto kogendera indegere to kore nomination.
Mero britimo abegiro ko nike muna bari bayi mkoba bare asenye tembaro ba berera sekeme ya Jubilee. Bale ba risko unabona babiri twakwa na igabuna se ward ya township ero kutoka se bunge yabo township na oyo moro UPA oyo ndoro ODM nkomanyi bwa tigatora so ase omuntu mokase studio ya kabere eri kondo lya goli nyara koba liko kwa senjire nge tokwirana nyara koba ko gutumanya yeso bom
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi Magega ya television ya Nsoko wikasero yao kwa nyori ribaga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia wokwenyulia ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono nabokonyori bagali ya bene liyokuralia asegete senieke asoliguri liyake busani tolikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662 onye kubwatari ibolyo obosemia gusekero kendi gyonsiguri Emeroberio ito ya Nsoko TV twakere simi ase namba 0788 666663 gose turikiririo kuri email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service ite gutuka samagacho hazina towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV oboroso w'omuguse.
Uya kegemo mwancho muligari bw'Ensoko TV asoko igoro murangu na gutwanchira goswa enka yawe mambi yabono.
Buya kegema inde aso gutwanchira ko bari yogiritanga ni kwegure nyumba mwago emambie.
Ensoko bwa kiro mwancho muligari incheni Innocent Onyango.
Diana Ndem.
Togenda se gazeti ya The Daily Nation asbago tebanga ikiama gyo DM ge kwamba kororekananga gatigati yayo mwatikano nororo ikiama gitamanyikana tigo sekerese serikali kubwatira serikali asomo secretary general sokirinda kugikiria serikali ngichwera kwa nigorengani
Raila puppet or ODM lepo matoyo Edwin Sifuna ole secretary general ya ODM secretary general ya rogo saini kuru binto kuru makitapa kerege lakini nkoira ni maega kego omuntu mato gukurageria sese ya ukagari egere koge butuko
Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwancho murigaria karibu sana tugusaba kwa perase mochando yo bwire kono mushimwa nkotani ni kwenge ribori buna mbare abagani bakire na kibego chikwane kya buna fairness nkobera se bari baberere ne kyamekega from the word go
biamono epati buna nari goteba engakiye bado mapema na ende nkwariga ntore abantu baminto bonse batagete kuocha se chama ya Jubilee kiagere chama ya Jubilee nero bono kiombe kiranyare okonyo musi na una nateba guritangani elections board national elections board no in place a board of integrity ekura unumo skoito kembi gitura former senate speaker, the former deputy speaker the senate former MP, a man of integrity abantu bari bonse bakire wose bajoinirie party bono iga mbabwate egasi abo bagocha gukorera party pakomwa konde igo onde bwensi ugocha bono yambaro babeire kuru nyuma no ni ntuntu arenge party mbane barengoro re party lakini ega utwait kiroro twa joiniri twensi to gocha mo twate babono twabeire ribo erimo tokore party egasi. Now we will subject ourselves to the nomination next year. Again, to Kerokinari goteba nkeringa abantu bagocha ekero ingakia edire. Parubuna bwi pati tokora barigereria edindegere tubachunguse torrenga kitoko bakora. Kiagera ntoko ganyera abantu bache gocho mwakondo motenyo kabere barukenga nomination batagete okorerwa. Ejina bego konga lakini bari barakire bono iga. Anchiranire ngatika twagache kiombe kamo yego ikumwako ne naboko ne wakiro muntu orure contribution ya goche party ekero ya ikiro mwako nde bono we will all of us subject ourselves to a free fair and verifiable nomination and to anchirane amatoke awo ko bororo odio ko ewe ticket ya Jubilee twensi tobe nyuma ya etomo sindikise wochimoto
Leo ntocha se ensemo ye bunge yako ngwarenga soborai ase bunge ya West Mugiranga ase bunge ya Eta ukarabuya kurende umwaka wa 2022 okanyora chikura chinyinge kurende tanyora tibaga riokora ebunge yo kerori gete nande gochiko so soborai bwega bare batebirenga umwaka wa 2022 strategy yago yarenge buyasengencho yasako yarenge so barikere ribanto mbali kuikirabya mwancho murigira nare orikagaiga eujumbe akorukwa Thomas Gesora watebanga 2027 go kurigereria buno gusangana abananchi you are likely to win kurende tomanyango kero kwarenga soborai ngikiri gwatige torro kekogeranga 2027 nando irane korekebisha
biamono oborai bonde bwonsi ondo okoro oborai na bewe kenga ki kwara mbuya kwara wanyora ba 90 bakobekera max ya keire ekire buya boraina boko rugo na ende yabari bagana barobo umurayo ndo kire nere banza komwa max yewe komo erio na ende mwezi mwenyora no murigeti na ende max yabekwa okonyora nga mbuya wakorete ngaki yawo ndabukwira no burayi okonyora umurayo dio ochete mbuya akorete nera ira no burayi lakini ende gento tagetote bankiringa asinga kiyane gote umaene asenari kunyara nguikanari ngabantange ribaga konare konyora abantu nkondra baringi ekerombu ateribaga na ndekerondo ororo igome ibyonya abantu baro badi baringe andake murayi maite konyora uri kubwata abantu andake kwanyora ngabantu mbarororo no eno murayi karuta magiti okonyonga abantu barobo ekorete chiproka na abantu bairanga andake ingwetera asinyarebe ninyore umurayi kwanyora ngabagusiara abantu mostly barayi mbayikomanya no ena abo baro paka bono iga nabo konyoranga abantu mbarororo bagucha batagete ko umurayi abande ba college proka ikigero kinkianje gusira ase barayi bande bonsipi Kenya ngimatiga nkwane Kenya kiagera Kenya tuli ijinero rora kirende ka twanya opportunity mutwa ntoteme tore ngakituraja ari wika abarayi abantu ba mintoange erindegere totegerere ebirengere byabo no gutaka kubakorera imirimo ebintu nebige twatigariti West Mugrango bitanya gukorekana nene amangana yeji pare chwakwana ne sabari twasetenga kieria na ase bintu binde twagambete no Moscow yo William Ruto timati gosengo cha gukora ringe ne chipara kiagara ntwa moete list ye chipara agwenete gocha utokorera ya sensema ya West Mugrango eye mokere pare kurukwa pondeni magombo eye gweta pondeni makairu magombo ni pare ya motwa moete e pare inde yaringe kebiruo kiambere esoke motagara ine yende e pare inde twa moete bonyunyu mabundu yanchore sironga esoke makairu ine pare inde nero twa moete agwenete gotokorera so those are the roads to araiwana ni tritangani cyare gukona go cyare kuigura ense media
chipare chigane chi mwamuetekero kwarenga soboraya
ekero nari ngoborai
njia koretu kuikukuru kwa obisi
nchikoriri kiagera enga kirintu achiete serikali yarengo ya Uhuru Kenyatta tekoreti lakini ekero to kore manifesto yaito yoborai bwari gocha koba semo ya William Ruto chipare china chitware gocha gukora
ningani komanya asengencho nasangire no mu jumbo robisi bonera uyoro mu jumbo go abatebanga nabigite Emeroberio yugo chekwane kya bunensemo ya Nyamira town asemya Kemerongetato parate yo ya lami yagachirwenya engiye ntambira chiko igoroba sombi asenseme yo iyo eminetinga sobora ibwago bwimya ketano tubegeti pare ndeyonsi ya lami ase Nyamira town ibwata ni West Mugrango senjo West Mugrango nere imugeti town ya Nyamira
okay tianda kora na amone pare inde na inde twabegete e plan ya riwocha koroswa ne para ya Masosa actually Miruka Masosa Gitari na Nyamusi kiagere pare yo nerenke kabisa igere 12 kilometers just 12 kilometers 12 choka unugo yebeka kurumiruka paka Nyamusi wakode chi kilomita 12 ne jinero yarenge pare yemo enga kitu arengo ororo bunge yarenge nkokusana asensemo ya kubeka chipara asensemo yerami kiagera buna twasoete opposition batirende twatemete kwebereria chipara chibekwe chinde chabe kwa kisiasa charuzwa chabe kwa kisiasa charuzwa lakini one of the road na succeeded tie na ende korumo chubago tonya gutarira kiagera ga gutarire bintu bitaye biyaye ne para ya shivering yari gocha kusoka ya senta ngumbwa epare ya isire kwa ererami ya ansete enga kinde bunge actually umuntu irete kura egachikobeke pare yerami ninje lakini esa uri atambugete gaiko enga kiyo muchumbe na chana bakuri era yo borimo nganero oyibegete epare inero twansete keronde bunge enga kieri so among other roads twabaete bakora na serikali niwe maite buna siasa lero yaikire chipara chiokorera siasa onye toko nyoru murayu muya na umogo chibeka chiaruzwa, and that is what happened deka kieto. Lakini wanu mochumbe stimu gaka erena muyu gako tebange serikali nje na aroseti nkapatigira he serikali na aroseti nkamutigira oso ideime aso eta na magoronsi ime ekera bara ibande bakonyo chipara chicheto ne nawe ne tanyo chipara chicheto roro kiagera abantu aba bachete bakasanga mase judie na bako webinte binge ko bwabanyanto ba judie abanyene kwe konyare kana bagende badi bataisie pare yemo une ina gotebia ya ponde ni magombo tuansete pare ya se list na ate William Ruto no ere na chitaga tebanga William Ruto yanchira ni rekorosia ko yebekerane pare ininje na mweto onyo chitaga motebia ngi pare yo ebekwe ndagete ko motena inje na yena nete na bono bokongu bolinga ibadi bataisite pare tabwati chibesa hakuna pesa, there is no money. O se kudigere ye pache di pare yite kone tiki te bwati pesa igebe kirororo edinde gara ko ene kinge pare inko nkorosi were omuchumbe na motebi tigagende ari gichibesa babike pare yo otherwise ye ingo chakobere among the historical lies chitoko so machikuru ne serikali
igo mushimbe ngone kyorenga abara ikero murase bunge ngoganiere mwaba bagotebanga mwaba baye guchiasa serikali irikonyora magendero naega
the party tige korosu na National Assembly ya implementation yaye ige gukorwa ni executive ekaro mwaro sire party tige koraki ige kogenda as executive for implementation mwabe kachibesa chigo executive charusuwa moko iranirwa supplementary budget mwanyora bintu bimokoretiki mubegete mbikoretiki mbiyo so naturally development yenseye should not be politicized. That is the norm, that is the the ordinary position kune wene takoba lakini bono Kenya asiya ikire especially the current regime no beka kurubunge kiagera umutumbe na bokwa mirimo beke chibesa kurubunge ewike executive ya Rusi because they have now weaponized development ya bananchi koba political tool for their expedience so na kitoko teberanga bono asenga kiegoncha tigaba Kenya bachinchu borai borororo babiko borai obuya bomanyetenga development should be given to each and every corner kiagera kiromo Kenya ngwa kanari taxes ti konya kana ngabari bare kana paka bari bara opposition kwa kana bari
mheshimiwa not a contractor or say either directly or indirectly.
No, I've never been a contractor.
Asengencho chinkuma chiara chirenga Emeroberio magendro chipara West Mugirango chi contractor nchiro chire affiliated to you chi koira chi contract nji korosi chipara to the expected standards na kinata kumanya nobwaza koboka se contracting chipara cha West Mugirango
ngaki ane nari ngoborai
bono ubuno taso to borai guchakira 2022 gocha
how possible ngakira nyarekane I'm not in office omuntu romo chumbe stimu gaka nero office onye ngane kerueta somo chumbo West Mugirango ngakemozi na bwate influence kubeka chi contractor cha Charles chipara then he has endorsed me for 2027 people of West Mugirango should be able to vote for me no mchumbo West Mugirango kiagara buna even beyond my tenure as a member of parliament I still nimbuate influence asobora ibu aye awenete ko take charge so it means that take the charge in charge that is an endorsement and if that is what he's saying I don't know but to me that is an endorsement abantu ba West Mugirango based on that they should elect me as a member of parliament
mheshimiwa kero kurigeri magega asebono guchigotena na nimete guchigotena no chigokwana na bananchi nubwate project iriyo rarage kyare guchigoti abananchi igakero na engobisi na ikeranitie na keri erinde kero bagochora based either on your track record usase guikirite mirimo ekamosiro mo West Mugirango
so many one record people record time I was able to buy 15 school passes in West Mugirango record 15 abana imbaro bare guchikora chigosori ngatuarete chipas chingotu endete yarare no name as we speak today across the constituency
like across secondary
schools across 15 school passes endete yarare they are working chiakonya chiskuru chiakonya community chiakonya no muchumbo West Mugirango uyotane kugura no ene yemo uyimukiria abantu chisukuru pasi cyane nagurete oreta asite tausi oreta abantu baitu bacha kungainu uyimuki chisukuru pasi iki cyane uyirera abantu emegera yaje gweta including him chamokonyire is also a beneficiary. Number ibere, I was able to bring up a technical training institute, West Mugirango Technical Training Institute, which costed about 130 million. During my time, for 5 years now, we built it from scratch. Ekaera. Ekaera na hariko chikuruerororo, equipment nere ya hariko chairman. It came. That is development. During my time as a member of parliament, I was able to correct over 150 million school across West Mugirango for Kuwait funding ya Kuwait. Today, constructions in various schools, including Nyamwetureko, Nyakiminja, Ikurucha, Rangenyo, Onyunyu, construction is going on. Chikorova for 150 million. Na retete chibese chichi arrangement for North Mugirango borabu ekerotu asoeto tukateba na itu akitobutorere share 150 million chisukuru chaka chikorova. And a component of that, that in infrastructure, ne school furniture. Every school has been able to receive furniture ranging between 256 to 512. Egesieri as under that component, Egesieri njanyora ebirogo 512. Unyunyu njanyora ebirogo 512. Nyamwetureko 256. Ikurucha 256. Makairo 256. And many schools. Chianyora ebirogo Chiroka. Modern. That is development.
In a sector HSM.
Yes, in a sector HSM. In that case, we undertook a lot of construction in dormitory, various schools. Masosa we build a dormitory. Nyakioro we build a dormitory. School Kiambere, we did a whole block. Yevirasi nane, a whole block. I was able to drill amaje, various schools. We were able to do amaje school Kuramba. Up to this time. I was there the other week. People were very happy. We were able to do water. I don't know whether he has done it. Nyaisa primary school, we were able to do water. So many projects that we did. No, they were not as invasive as today. They were not. Today in the morning, almost what on the Kurucharia or Korea CNN Ganaru, you can't take an Abba natural one, Ukwanika, a parea take Witeka. A Karona Chiringo Mogambi, at least in Arago to Arabocom. You won't water for weed, like in Teo correct, take Witeka. A parea Nakiore. Ekoru kebirigo kiambere yagenda asakuru kwa ya soko uchubo samarurugo epare iyo yasareka for a very long time epare ne rostimu gakatumire as a weapon whatever nga Kemosi taraba roseri and to some extent aka convince abantu epare ye krona ye korete esa utu arukete chibesa chigata towards elections actually na ye korete a week to elections. Not because I was doing it wrong, but the process is concluded up to that time, a week to elections. That was 2022 in August. The first time yata okorwa na inde gakorwa ikabe kuri koro instead yo morom ya korwa mutinyo gatano okane last year 3 good years etanya okorwa ya ta de rubuna na je roseti and I was happy ekara begeteri koro abantu bamotetinga iranie para ya itubna Kemosi atutigirete. So record ya no yerigi, you will find it all over.
Naro kubodi gaiga akorokunga Masimba David agotebanga agwata mapori abere agotebense moyeji basari kwari guchibwato ka senchira etaringia beneficiaries mbaringe bari intended Nabega gotebanga most of the projects you are highlighting, what Honorable Steve has been pushing. Timaithinga cabinet you. Asense mweji basa yagoteba nchira kwale gochibwatoka nchiarenge to the intended beneficiaries.
When tato type which intended position, I was able to allocate only montororo or na chipasadi in a free, fair, Actually, I was able to give a minimum of 5,000 shillings during my time. A minimum of 5,000. Day school, we were also giving them money. Day school. So we gave out bursaries. Na ende karo tuarude tuariko bambe list ya ito kurugoro pakaize. Oyima simba tigato tebye when did he come with a record ekworo kinga chipasari chiarure kwanyora beneficiaries umwana oyomo ediete erimo chibesa chitomire barakatano. That is what is happening. Last year I saw a list it was accurate emitandao of pseudo colleges chitaiwe exist. Chibesa chitomira under this regime. Are you seeing? And abantu ba West Murange gento bagwenete bamanyi. Ekero twaruete bunge itwara konyor 137 million shillings. 137 chipasa likeregento. Still Mugaka today is getting 210 also million. 210 also. That is times 2. But we were able to do impact yekorekana sabantu. Korachi school pass kwa kacha skuru all those things that I've said. We were able to do. Bono igawa buate chibesa times 2. Nereka gocha tigaba tebinki accorded. And they should be able to list those things.
Inda se umutandao Facebook narege gurukwa nikilame kawa tebanga ask mheshimiwa alileta lami kilometers ngapi ase oraiwaga yakobori kilometer nga kwalete in total.
Mekilame I don't need to answer. Aspana po iyo muchumba stimu gaga what do I need to answer? Again, to that motebie, let them brand devices Steve Kiaweneta Okora. He has the money, I went Kobeka for development here West Mugrango. He is the one who is in power today, Nere Trato Tebi, Bono Steve Nere, Oba Bunga, or Punge Gaiga, or Eserekadimi. Chikiro Miteri Gabaretire, apart from Webanga in Raba Kenya, Nankoros, Vareponde in Magombo, Chivesa Chitayo. Tigate Biaba Kenya. Ekero ya get 2023 the first Steve was there, the first finance bill Steve Nero agete yes aba Kenya wa ndego sumboka ekera abantu bonsi bibate bete no Steve Mugaga was the first one akaenda akarangiria abantu usi akabatebi ngabono gongo chukokana agaika Saudi ameneti wosoya. He said yes finance bill ya atakoreta mangana. Second finance bill he fought yes. So make you they should be able to explain to Kenyans. They are the ones in court in Omochumbe who are giving problems to the people of West Mugrango.
Narega guru Joseph Omambia agokwande guru ngokwande para ya Shivling ya center.
Yes.
How is the condition asenga nchowega agotebanga guru ya center ne Nyamaramba agotebanga ekene yekene agotebe para ya center to Shivling erosiri 1 kilometer. Joseph Omambia.
It could not be 1 kilometer. It could maybe 1 kilometer from Yaya Center. But from Shivling Yarachire. That one I confirm Yarachire. But from the other side, Naboranyo Terarosu. So it's now incumbent upon the two MPs, Steve Mugaka, Amonosero. They follow up on that road in the Gerere.
Teatro na sense my SMS, ujumbe nina ragaiga akurukwanga Dominic Ogaro mwanju murigerekero twayigoire namba yesimi nabo tukubata simi berisa turinde basangiro mwishimiwa ya masemo. Dominic Ogaro abatebanga kuramiruka abatebanga oirane otabuke chiro ya miruka nabo igo babekere nyagitari ya level 4 West Mugrango chiro ya miruka nae kwa chagete.
Yes, chiro ya miruka I was able to allocate 20 million for actually refurbishment here chiro. 20 million is not so much money. It's not a lot of money, but inga kia we were able to do. Actually tokajebeke fence ina itankara nerororo njane kutaguka. Asinara abagna bare chiro yaro setiwe abana bare koneri ya ebintu byabo konye yaro sigubo beka bekwe ebintu byaringe bibe tokatagura tokajerosi buya. And then we were also to do water within echiro ya Miruka. So to some extent the infrastructure ina abegete ekarona endoro to work chukura chianya my last year ekarona iteto na bona nyo still the infrastructure na abegete is still standing in error. So given an opportunity we would now modernize that market ever like ESP markets.
Nando tebanga obabekere nyagitari ya level 4 West Mogrango nyagitari ya level 4
level 4 I cannot promise to do a level 4 hospital because this is an devolved function. Actually purely umuntu wenete okora inyagitari ne mugabana. The only thing na tagete ko push asinini inyamira level 5 hospital na tagete push indegerebe level 6 ever taken over by the government. But we could not agree with the late governor Nyagarama that particular time, so we were unable to proceed any further.
Kinara Abuga agotebanga he's accusing you, by the way, of nepotism in office appointments during your tenure. Kero kwa rengo obisi appointments chago ncharenge nepotism in one way or another.
Which nepotism? You should be able to tell us.
Because yes. Your appointments were nepotism.
Yes, you should tell us which type of nepotism. During my time, I was able to appoint people from every other village. I appointed Davanto from Bosamaru. I appointed Davanto from Nyamatuta. I appointed Davanto from Bugichora. I appointed Davanto from Nyamai. What type of nepotism is talking about? You should be able to come out clear. Atotevinga kwarigeta abantu banganiga kuwe nyombagete turigeti nyombagete specific so that we are able to respond.
Igo nakeri tarierenge kinarabuga na bogo tomanyanga, what do you mean by that?
Yes.
Tigato ase chujumbe igaiga nare ori karibu ya gotebanga ask my MP mwancho mureke to Emeroberio ko bwata chisimi chago. Agotebanga, what if Gashawa is given a ticket, will you continue in opposition? Ngore ngingwa kwandire gwatebanga mu Emeroberio guchiagwo. Agotebanga bonchari bagosabwa chibesa chugwa kana rent ya ofisi ya Jubilee. Bagoteba chama ina pesa ineriborire kiama ya Jubilee. Mubate ofisi bonchari kwanza.
We don't have an office bonchari. Office tobwate ni ya a county ya Kisi ede Nyangena. I don't know whether Nyangena is part of Bonchari, but on the already we have already paid office. We have paid rent for that office. Oyo Kobabodi should be able to tell us, but I'll take it up with the officials Mambia. Mbabodi, if they are asking any money which is wrong for the office. However, onyo muntu ndoka igorete office ya yo kale ku the market as Jubilee go saba bantu baje, they should raise that issue to us to address immediately.
Katore gwe abananchi kuna bakwa nagaiga.
Bango kuna muntu ndetaburia Jubilee umuntu nabakunganya tereta waje aburi. Odengi bwana batete kwegemererio burayogu.
Oyakuru kwatuya agotebanga umubeke buya abarayimbari bakorumaega barachikwegemereria na bari baruburayi bunayo munyakirugo na bari batendrete kiama ya Jubilee. Hello Ensoko TV. Hello, karibu sana ngoto kusanganera. Hello Ensoko TV. Yokore network ya teringia. Hello Ensoko TV. Hello Ensoko TV. Waire ngoto kusanganera, karibu sana.
Ngoro kupitia wata.
Agwasa.
Topic ya wata kurua Getare polling station.
Getari bose Getare.
Getare polling station.
Karibu sana.
Bono. Umweshimiwa yera chipasali ira atebe Kemosi chipasali ale kurua chipasali ndi ale kurua. Aya togende muna babunyunyu era negende inde kwaga chuona inde koroba. Aya chipasali kiro chinkura kwanira kiro chimuna ali kuchigwa ali kwa koro muntu. Igore inde nonye igesa mumbwa muna ndigire tinya igesa. Igesa nere na kolete gasho ingia sana.
Yote wao nukiranditie Emeroberio emia. Hello Ensoko TV.
Ensoko TV.
Karibu sana bwaire ngoto kusanganera.
Ndimo keira pita.
kurumiruka.
Mukira pita kurumiruka ribori ya gondiria so mheshimiwa.
Itari bori ngobori nande na bonda mobori lakini bone yo tunaringe koma pongeza. Igate nere bunari andrete gotini na igoni ndo tino more mware. Gate nene tomo pongeza kabisa njengo mopongeza chire ya miruka kwanera. Nayero seti arona gerege tomo mukakati ni lakini bono ndageta gagocha kuira ne kirogo. Na bwate timu nonya tara irane kirogo ate me kabisa je sugumonye no kunyarikana kara irana aje sugume ero sugumuna ari gitero nyamira egwe kanero.
Mukira pitaga gwagotebanga ubakonye echire yo erandire ebirengo byae. Hello Nsoko TV. Hello Nsoko TV. Mwancho murigana bagwe kaidio girie TV na rio mwishimiwa arakoigwe buyakero gutumari boririago gaiga. Hello Nsoko TV.
Hello.
Wairire karibu sana ngoto gosanganira.
Hello.
Hello. Hello Nsoko TV. Okoranga rio girie TV bakwe bago keye erinde tobaigwa senchire rengia. Hello Nsoko TV.
Nsoko TV hello Clinton.
Wairire karibu sana.
Ya sana. Wono nere la mekimekyo yomu Kemosi au kwanera. Nambo anoko manjira mu buri aho street Kemosi wali abere gusato.
Abera so bwanga singencho nabange barasela ino.
Para ukona bondeni magombo ipare ni president ya promise chekera bala west mugirango ba chete state house. Ara ruchi esabo mwihira abana inchi. Egento ya kabere. Para ukona ya sibling kunyango zo ipare te even 300 meters. Ege tenyango ti buying center so taba enjire yo ukona ranga ni cheta ke traki. Egento ya tatu kyo mwelio. Ti basi aena nete chiskuru nche sinyire waka na insurance. I can give example we pass ya gesore no muchumbe Steven mwako jaburu tibe ya mu ko chita budget abaja wakanira insurance tibake chire that's the truth tigato terie ke you can't bring something etali priority chiburu njara netima furnitures tigane tiji dom muna bono yaji awes bari ngiko tonga muchumbe Steven mwaka nako te biazi ne dom wiche abwenda to terie ki akorete endabu primary is a lot of questions.
Gorengi na bokoreranirie gati ya yo abananchi barugagwe ase ora chakire erinde torenga kitoko gendri nkwane
biamono ase moye chama ritangani ondeta yo kwegimerie chama ya Jubilee onde bwensi ase kwegimerie chama ya Jubilee igoda ipati to kwagacha ekita kieta kiombe to kwagacha onde bwensi na ateba na hari free koso ekiombe bono iga inga kienere kiombe geta abantu irindegere tubwatirane kwagacha kiombe te kunyarikana weste korekana na maskani eiko mutinyo kabiro mwakonde onyora abantu bakumnyoka gocha batagite kwa ewe ticket na abantu bandi barororo bakorire gas kurwa matuka yonsi abeire igo oyo minto oyo nchege ntonta gete como tebinkeringa nomination will be a free fair and a transparent exercise lakini rende abantu bari bagocha gukorerwa bari aspirants tikatwensi toka on board irindegere twagachi echama ingakienere tageta abantu umuskoyo rame making kora ngina motebia ditangani egentago teba ya ponde ni magombo precisely na kingo teba tamanyetie pare ya ponde ni magombo ngakiyanze from the last regime egento kiara okorbono ya implementation you should know para ya shivering onye ya kore to 300 meters ya kore to kiagera ekerona actually pare ya yanse te kwagachwa 2022 egero to ujuko kuruero bogambi so onye tuarwete inchekera ondweto no ntigete biragita bono is confirming ngomo chumbo ye steam gaka was unable to push this road further more than 300 meters. That is a confirmation, and based on that people should direct him out kiagere parana ansete ya kori ko 300 meters iwo ya cheta ka yetige roro has not been able to push through ere ekrona ya ansete chipas all the school passes are working eposi yaye inkiego kombwera chikadi echo chaira abantu every other week nero uchikomwa chaira chiskuru echo chiskuru pasi echo they have insurance. Some of them they are even generating income to schools. I can mention a lot of schools Mbonga and others the past school passes are working gesore no so stimu gaka inchena akorete omukia wo korete school pass no ere school pass you go konyera bana. Actually we put that school pass ekonya bana. If he's unable to pay on insurance, they are unable to pay. I'm ready to pay for them. Insurance again the school a pass ye koregas.
Okay.
And let me tell you this, my brother, so that aba murabuna aba tima etiko sena mangana chise myakete ba manya nkikero ke buna CDF yo koregas. Ekeroro muchumbe including muchumbe stimu gaka. You don't go and sit here buno muchumbe waikaransa kwa priority. Teji ajo we koregas. Igo ko rabanto pa West Mugirango gas. Igo go ikaransa kwa beka priority based on request made by schools. Priority based on request. All the school passes that we bought were requested by schools. By schools, no. Tuko ndio no ni rimo tu atebete ko rasmisha to go school pass ye to go school pass. All of them were requested, including aba kwirende, including aba ibori banya kiore secondary school. For the last 3-4 years they've been requesting for school pass. I got to one the last time buna na rekoso actually it was among the last school passes na rota ko one or two ko nsieke. Lakini nende ticket ko irana. Ekaraba swete among other things why one and ten still work the school pass up to today tanga ko bagore school pass hiyo ekarona endo na sekasana akunga ina abantu almost tumbe ekatwanya ane birero 2 weeks ago because he's unable to speak whatever abantu why he has not put a school pass for them unaba promise it arangedie principle nchugocha ora tabia abantu ne principle ne ringima tibage ko taya abantu bumaene yanza ko taya omuchumbe bono ganambe kerete chibesa ngo chikogore school pass nga 3 months yetaga achiri diodio moche kumanya ninje nanga inereri obokoro butu abona dite na bewo ika school 3 months yetaraika stimu gaka transfer umwarimu ikorwa ngomo chikobodi. Why should a principal transfer Steve transfer mandate ya as a member of parliament kobekera omo principal as como sanitize. So mumurobno yomeki, these are the people who are plundering the development ya West Mugirango. Abanabu abantu bagusalie bintu otara ikero muchumbe babisadiri ekero bigo ikero muchumbe osunyukogora. Aba murabuna aba as soon as possible bagwenete baruo obisia West Mugirango erindegera abantu ba West Mugirango ba development.
Aso gokora erinde honyo bagana yo tumanye nkiro beretie beyond 2027 umongina nari ga nkore ngyo kwana o sabanga andake gokwira na era yago ne riko bakonye ichiro ya miruka ekine apart from chibesa chirikwa begete kero kwa ngoro kogo chigoso nkyo chikone kenge chire yunko gandre ko bakonya.
Actually even we could have done more and I think it were goyiroka urban development department it was, I think it was in the Ministry of Housing or something. No, it was in the Ministry of Transport, Housing and Urban Development. So it was a department as state department. It could upgrade markets to ESP markets. So Miruka is there in my, in my heart. That is my market. Echiro ya ane Miruka. That is my market, my home market. Ekaronta gete go gorachi ngeni no go to maba. So I will see there in my heart that the market will be able to elevate this market to a standard, actually to a modern standard. The only thing I need again to get abantu bange opportunity has to bakorere. And this time we are going to do as we are monokobwa ngakiende wants to have office.
Bema nkora ngibono gago ba eigure bono nabokwira chinga kichago napoko mukwandra umugusi kero mwiroberite kumosira Dr. Fred Matiangi nabego naboko mukwandra mu West Mugirango kero naye oiroberite wichakoneke munankwiri kebale kwabwate bibande babwate chikura ego chiko babwate sibo sabari
ukorera tiga ntebya abantu baminto ditangani kabisa parting shot ti tukwama tukatigarete nabere bari bataririka tafadhali so kali tukodia mambia mambishi na 8 na 7 litukoria mambi na mambiende mweri kama tukatigare tabere ori otari lika chikureri kerindegere na intuto buchichi namba mutuga iga abantu bamintunto bwate kibarua ne kibarua kerororo kiriri tangani buno mugusi unity umugusi rasma tukini chinamba cheto edindegere tonyare ko sumo moskoito Fred Matiang'i taye kiyoka ekero tubwate chinamba chinyinge chicheto no ene bisa kwe bibinde bigotosika igotika tomente chinamba cheto na intunari turawenera eri akabere abantu baminto na neta getuko babodi omwana oyo itobono nere tubwate taya mutwa yaito igona ari ko basaba mubwatisi naenda abantu badia abamurambara aba baminto bakonya kuminyoka naenda abandi babwate ukurama kuri igoro abantu buna bwase muko banyora tafadhali batebi bahire ngora onye bakari kuri ibintu byabase bakari kuriya tikabadie lakini bareta masikani gose babika masikani asomoske Fred naende teraba ngakitiraera onye kere ngamba bwate birengererio ngamba takegocha na intwe engakinereye umurango noigwire we need them akana abana bamintu batagete tikabarwari asebisa kubinde ibaha gutumeka nebisa kubinde kote kurama abagusi kurama abarayi babagusi tikabarwororo bahikega igeri ndegere tubwatirane naende munyora abantu baminto asemurabe mundigerete kurwa ngenga kieye for the first time in history eneringa kitubwate na intwe umunguru wanchire togochikotenenio umurayo ito uyore Fred Matiang'i nera gambe ebinte byonsi bitoko nyakwana onago bigokorekana buna toko bibeka mutu asare finally asensemo ya West Mugrango njenda gitwatira abantu baminto ba West Mugrango asemiake eri 5 raba korete gas itwa korete gas yaringengia na henderende kerobate betenga Kemosi karati mukake na inje na anchire wotimuka lakini rende ndoche ngabono na atwari chinguru chietororo igiwe iko mwakonde tikatubwatira nedi ndegere tokore chigasi ebintu ne binge torakore ebinde na byo kwa ugo mwana yawo kwana enganto agache tintokore tikende chiskuru twagacha tukabeka chidometry tukabeka chibirasi tukwagacha chikorova nkwa iwo mu umutegereri oyo mugago tebanga chiskuru echinchiendete kwagachwa tukareta paka chiroka twabikira ororo igasi bune inero tugote kwirana tokore mono irindegera abantu baitu tubakonye chipasa lintu arwete bono chipasa lintu guchikuru kero umuntu rasmanyo chibeza chisa ini minimum 10,000 kero mwana kyagara bono chibeza chirinchi amentu chigaika times 2 kire family rasmenyo ore chipasa li irindegere abana basome naende nari kubabuli abantu baminto ba West Mugrango umanye tumugusiga atebete tosanira mukamu muro taramorora gose abandi batebanga you know abandi batebanga better igesongo better a devil you know than an angel you've never seen, which is very true. Ora abantu wa West Mugrango already mbamanyete capacity ya Kemosi buna akorire emirimo record ya Kemosi nerororo record ya simu gaka nerororo kuruhabuna bokorire kwara ngaya Kemosi at least Kemosi binte bimbu yare okora emirimo mbu yare okora iga abantu bamintu jete kubatebya ikiagera ukonacha kwa West Mugrango koro kunkororo nga stimu gaka ere one time ukonacha korokwo aba West Mugrango buna tukwa na litukori yarero tayari banakire ingo muchumba ororo stimu gaka ere kiaye kiairire ingera hari kubasaba mumbu atisie sabariye nande mochikorigereria moire ngo muntu ndige totanya gukuna burayi nganero ranyare okore gasi nande onyora abantu ba West Mugrango tuira niri myaka ende 5 nyuma buna tuira niye 5 igoko nyora yaikire myaka 10 twasaliri abana mbara abaminto bakoriye ebya bakoriye kekeroge kya West Mugrango abange mbaro bakoriye nabarobwo ni right yabo kuriya ekerogo buneke nande igomba sabere tamaya na tugote ku minyokania engaki in the next year chikurechi lakini abandi baro konyora babwate ebyego birebya tairasuma bakore siasa bune umwana buno minto narari ogokore byasare byasana umwate uchusi yebyasara umuntu buno next year itotakeire ekero twaro siria serikali turigiye gasi no bu minister tomo bu minister abo minister yebyasara kyagere ruri nama yeta mangana yebyasara atokonye onye kera arubunira abe onye gagutaka ontatagityo mangana yobo minister ya appointment serikali gebwate byasara ebinge ere nabako boroto mo byasara akore akonye e community siasa yene rumanyete ne bwata abantu bono buna intwe siasa tu akorire nandi kene ke turakore peta tani siasa ibabana buna abuto ko basabanga nabo tukuigwanana igasi bune ito bakanego onyoro wese mungrago yachire mutu
Memano Mheshimiwa Vincent Kemosi mbuyamana so ikirana se chi studio chito kusanga no mugusi na boigo murigeria bwegeta sene gian Soko TV chinga kichigo toka nande tochiko gendra gutwara enkwani gakone kyabona ase faida yo mwananchi faida yo mugusi nko mumanyatore ari agendrete kiresa bariga hingima hensi ya Kenya na rongo rwagusi rogendete kwiroberia bose obochorio bonene umwaka 2027 nayo mwancho murigeria bari bakachisi bari batumachi ujumbe ensemo ya SMS bari batumachi ujumbe ensemo y'imitandao tawateba mbiyamono nande chinga kichigo toka tuchigosanga no mugenito ase studio nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ondigi twabwaterana na Barnabas Ondari kuri ase studio ya kabero kone Kemerugini chibicha ngochara senchirengia twarabotukobia twaraborigerio bya Emeroberio agendreta asembe nyasaye ka wancha nande tuomerana ritkoria ankyo